Hi there, Daniel. This is Sheena with SOP Digital Solutions. I called earlier and Leo answered, and he said that you will be the best person to send this video to. And this will be a custom video about, improving online presence and helping you out. You turn your website into a lead generating website rather than just a business card, and I'll show you more in a little bit. But we've helped out different companies nationwide, from construction to real estate investment, plumbing, car tinting company, photo booth, etc. So want to make sure that we are of service, and check and see if this is something that will help you out. And if you have any questions, do let me know. Otherwise, if you see this valuable, apply it into your website, and this will really help you out. All right, so first things first, we're going to talk about content, keyword rich content, which means that having at least 1,500 to 2,000 words right now. Your homepage is at 756, and having that those number of words will just help Google be able to recognize your website as more of an authority. More of having content and including buyer intent keyword. For example, roofing companies in San Antonio, or one of the best roofing companies in San Antonio. So I can see roofing contractor San Antonio, so that's a good keyword in there. But putting a little bit more content will actually help you out. So speaking of keyword research or buyer intent keywords, so I went to Google and did type roofing companies in San Antonio, and we will see these results. So first things first, on top you will see ad, and of course I believe that you are doing Yelp, so that's kind of how I found you. You're doing ads for Yelp, so you can do the ads for Google as well for you to be instantly found. I think that there is specific budgeting daily. In another area that you want to be really will be in this Google Map Pack. Just because, besides the fact that it is organic meaning there are some few things that you want to be able to do in order for you to rank on these top 3, because all these top 3 get all those businesses out there. So you want to be here and you want to be shown. A few things that you want to be able to do is list your name, exactly the same address, phone number, and also your office hours, holidays, and state that in all throughout the internet, right, directories. So having those complete information, plus posting photos, geotag photos, meaning located centric photos, and updates on your Google business profile will help you out. Also, utilizing citation. I know it sounds citation sounds bad, but citation means if your Roland's roofing company is cited in 50 directories, you want to be in that as well, plus more, right? So you want to be able to beat your competition in that. So optimizing your Google business profile will really help you out. And if you are in this top 3, it's the same as when you're looking for a restaurant. You won't have to go to more businesses unless you see people who have lesser stars in there. So yeah, that's the best way to go. And the next will be the organic part as well. So these are directories or blogs, but your main competition will be San Antonio roof company, which is this company. All right, so we can definitely beat them So right now, let me just show you their performance, right? So they're using a lot of buyer intent keywords in their website. Let's go ahead and just roofing companies near me. So let's see here. It has to be focusing on city. So roofing companies in San Antonio, they are ranked #1. So if you see this one, they're ranked #1 here in first page. Nobody wants to be looking at the second page, right? Everything is first page. So you want to be in the first page. So utilizing this keyword, this just means this is volume. It means about 1,200. There's about 1,200 searches for this using this term, right? And 9 means it's easy for us to be able to rank your company utilizing this keyword. Next, gutters, San Antonio. I can see that there's 900 searches for that, 6, so that's good. They're not ranked high for that. So that's gonna be a good opportunity for you. San Antonio, contractor in San Antonio, 606 contractors in San Antonio. What else? So we want to check on roofing San Antonio, 600. So 21, it's a little bit difficult to rank, but the highest for the keyword difficulty is 100. So this one is not too bad. We can still utilize it. Right now they're position #3. So you get what I mean? So being able to utilize that will help you out. So with yours, at this moment, there's no online power for your website. So being able to do those things. Another thing that I forgot to discuss with you is backlinks, which means having those referring domains shout out your link, right? So these domains are saying San Antonio Roof Company is, one of the best. So we can do the same thing for you. We can say AllMighty Roofing company is the best in San Antonio, roofing company in San Antonio, and we can list them in different domains so that we can increase your power in your website. But other than that, hopefully this helped out. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and looking forward to getting you that long-term result, because this will help out instead of you just relying on ads. Because if you stop the ads, of course, you want this to be, helping out as well. You want this to be ranking you as well, so that you can have possibly about 2,700 traffic on your websites, right? So this can be a lead generating website for you. So there's a really good opportunity. Other than that, thank you so much. And I hope you have a great day. Have a great weekend. Bye.